Crying offers several benefits, both physically and emotionally. Here's a breakdown of some key advantages. Emotional benefits. Self-soothing. Crying can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps the body relax and calm down. 2. It can be a way to regulate intense emotions and reduce distress. 3. Emotional release. Crying allows for the release of pent-up emotions, providing a sense of relief and catharsis. 4. It can help process grief, sadness, and other difficult feelings. 5. Seeking and receiving support. Crying can signal to others that you need comfort and support, fostering social connection. 6. It can strengthen relationships by demonstrating vulnerability. 7. Mood enhancement. The release of endorphins and oxytocin during crying can contribute to an improved mood. 8. It can also help shift perspective and promote a sense of acceptance. Physical benefits. Eye lubrication and cleansing. Tears help keep the eyes moist, preventing dryness and irritation. 9. They also flush out irritants like dust and smoke. 10. Bacteria fighting. Tears contain lysozyme, an enzyme with antimicrobial properties that helps protect the eyes from infection. 11. Stress hormone release. Emotional tears contain stress hormones, and crying can help remove these from the body. 12. Pain relief. The release of endorphins during crying can help alleviate both physical and emotional pain. 13. It's important to remember that crying is a normal and healthy human response. 14. However, if you find yourself crying excessively or uncontrollably, it may be a sign of an underlying issue, and it's advisable to seek professional help. Crying is a self-soothing mechanism. Crying is a complex emotional response that can serve as a self-soothing mechanism. Here's how. Physiological processes. Activation of the parasympathetic nervous system (PNS). Crying can activate the PNS, which is responsible for the body's rest and digest response. This can help to counteract the effects of the sympathetic nervous system, which is activated during stress. Release of endorphins and oxytocin. These neurochemicals, which have pain-relieving and mood-boosting effects, are released during crying. They can help to reduce emotional distress and promote feelings of calm. Hormone regulation. Crying can help to regulate hormone levels, including cortisol, which is associated with stress. Emotional and psychological processes. Emotional release. Crying provides a physical outlet for intense emotions, such as sadness, anger, or fear. This release can help to reduce the intensity of these emotions and promote a sense of relief. Distress tolerance. Crying can be a way of coping with distress. It can provide a temporary distraction from overwhelming feelings and allow you to process them gradually. Cognitive reappraisal. The process of crying can sometimes facilitate cognitive reappraisal, which involves changing your perspective on a situation. This can help to reduce negative emotions and promote a more positive outlook. While crying can be a helpful self-soothing mechanism, it's important to note that it's not the only one. Other self-soothing techniques include deep breathing, meditation, and engaging in relaxing activities. If you're struggling to manage your emotions, it's important to seek support from a mental health professional.